In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of TradingView for an enhanced trading experience, whether you're an experienced trader or a newbie. Understanding how to use TradingView effectively can significantly improve your analytical skills and decision-making process. Let's start by getting to the platform. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the TradingView website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page, which serves as your gateway to a multitude of insightful financial data and charting tools. On this platform, you can track a wide range of trading instruments from stocks and indices to cryptocurrencies and more. Now it's time to dive into the charts. Once you are on a specific chart page, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the zoom functionality to get a closer look at certain data or to expand your view when necessary. For this, you'll use your mouse. Specifically, if you have a mouse with a scroll wheel or a middle button, you'll find it especially useful for zooming in and out. Hover over the chart area and go ahead and rotate that wheel gently. Scrolling upwards will bring you closer, allowing you to examine specific time frames or detailed market movements. Conversely, scrolling downwards will zoom out, giving you a more comprehensive view of the market trends over longer periods. While mastering the zoom function seems simple, it is an essential skill for traders who need to switch between different perspectives quickly. Zooming in allows you to delve into the minutiae of price movements, while zooming out can offer a broader perspective for identifying trends and patterns. You'll find that quickly alternating between these views helps in making informed decisions based on both micro and macro perspectives of the market. To sum up, getting comfortable with TradingView's interface and mastering its zoom function can elevate your trading analysis, allowing you to sift through data efficiently. Though it might feel overwhelming at first, take your time practicing. With every click and scroll, you're becoming a more adept trader. TradingView is a powerful ally in your trading endeavors, offering a range of tools to enhance your market analysis and forecasting capabilities. Remember, practice is key. Spend some time exploring different features and functions on TradingView to get the most out of this platform. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to using TradingView like a pro. Thank you for watching and happy trading.